Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Quick Tips. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer your Polkadot tokens from Phantom Wallet to Binance in 2025. With the crypto world evolving fast, this process might have some updates, so let's make sure you're doing it safely and efficiently. Whether you're a beginner looking to move your assets or an experienced trader managing your portfolio, this step-by-step tutorial will get you there in no time. First off, why transfer to Binance? It's one of the largest exchanges, offering great liquidity and trading options. But before we start, double-check that you have the latest version of Phantom Wallet installed and your DOT tokens are visible. Also, ensure your Binance account is set up with two-factor authentication for security. It's 2025, so let's prioritize safety. Step 1. Open your Phantom Wallet app on your mobile device or browser extension and log in using your password or biometric verification. Once inside, head to the Assets tab and locate your Polkadot balance. Step 2. Tap on the DOT asset to open its details. Look for the Send or Transfer button. It's usually prominent. Here, you'll need to enter the recipient's address, which is your Binance wallet address. To get that, log into your Binance account, go to your wallet, and copy the deposit address. Pro tip: always double-check the address to avoid any costly mistakes. Step 3. In Phantom, paste the Binance address into the recipient field. Set the amount you want to transfer. Remember to leave some for network fees, which might be around 0.01 to 0.1 depending on network congestion in 2025. Review the transaction details carefully, then hit Confirm to sign and broadcast it. Step 4. Wait for the transaction to process. Polkadot uses its own blockchain, so it could take a few minutes to a couple of hours. You can track it using a blockchain explorer like Polkadot.js. Once it's confirmed, head back to Binance and refresh your wallet. Your DOT should appear. A quick word of caution: always use the correct network, Polkadot's native chain, and never share your private keys. If you're new, test with a small amount first. That's it for the transfer process. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto guides, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay safe out there in the crypto world.